The construction industry is booming, but there's one big problem: a serious labor shortage. According to recent data from the Associated General Contractors of America, 92% of construction firms are struggling to find qualified workers. And by 2025, the industry will need nearly 500,000 more people to meet demand. The shortage means project delays, rising costs, and a strain on companies trying to keep up. So what's causing it? Skilled workers are retiring, and the job is not seen as attractive enough for the younger generation to step in. New technology in the industry also requires specialized skills, but the training programs have not kept pace. Many young people still believe that the construction jobs are low-paying and offer little to no opportunities for career growth. So how can we inspire the next generation to choose construction as a career? It starts with real opportunities and shifting perceptions. We need training programs that match today's industry, integrating new technology and advanced equipment operation. Partnering with schools and vocational programs, we can give young workers hands-on experience and a direct path into the field. Construction isn't just hard labor. It's a high-tech, high-paying industry with real career growth. Showcasing innovation, success stories, and earning potential will help change outdated perceptions and attract fresh talent. Reaching students early is key. Career fairs, hands-on demos, and equipment simulators can spark interest and show the excitement of building real-world projects. Workers want more than a paycheck. Offering strong wages, benefits, and clear career paths keep talent in the industry and creates long-term commitment. By investing in people and showing the true potential of construction, we can build the workforce of the future. At Machinery Partner, we know that having the right workers is only half the battle. You also need the right equipment to get the job done. We provide cutting-edge construction equipment and expert support to keep your projects moving forward. Don't let the labor shortage slow you down. Contact Machinery Partner today to find the best equipment solutions for your business. Call us now at 866-847-1440 or visit machinerypartner.com. Let's build a better future together. Give us a call. We're here to help.